Welcome to Selenium Talk. I'm Manish. So actually, I've came across one issue while installing the or integrating the Eclipse, TestNG with Eclipse. Uh, Sometime what is happening, the Eclipse is not able to install properly, and I mean, sorry, TestNG is not installed properly, and at the end, as in my previous video, I have shown you like we can integrate the TestNG with Eclipse through Marketplace. So I have performed all those things. Uh, this is basically happening in the older version of Eclipse. So I have performed all the mentioned steps which I have mentioned in my previous video. So at the end it is giving some error like unable to install TestNG. So I have done some R&D on the net and find one website which is super and giving the multiple solutions to integrate TestNG with Eclipse. So I will show you. The website is TechBeamers, and I really appreciate this blog because they have mentioned in a West Bay, like they have given three ways to install TestNG in Eclipse. The first one I can see, so they have the name means directly from the install TestNG in Eclipse directly from the Eclipse marketplace. This is what we have covered in our video. I think second, yes, install TestNG plugins in Eclipse using install new software feature. Like you have to go here again. It is through the Eclipse, so that is fine. This is also fine. And one of the best solution they have given, like install TestNG in Eclipse IDE via offline jar files. This I found very much good because after performing all these steps I was able to integrate my TestNG with Eclipse and it is totally working fine for me. So I will suggest you to follow this blog, and it is really very helpful. So at first they have mentioned like firstly download the latest TestNG jar from the link given below. Means they have given some link. uh, from here you can download, and after that download, so the features folder contain like it will get downloaded in a zip format and you have to unzip it. So if you unzip, then this file contain two folder like this one, the version file. It will contain features and plugins. The feature folder contain the following two files. These two files are there, and after that plugin folder contain these two files. So these are the things. I think they have basically made in the Windows, so it is pretty much easy to follow. So go to the Eclipse installation directory and look for the drop-ins folder. Yes, inside Eclipse there is a drop-in folder. I have saw that, and after that create a folder inside means TestNG Eclipse and the version which you are using. Means here they have mentioned 6.1 and the latest version is like 7.3.0 something. So you can mention it like this, and after that, so the zip we have, whichever we have downloaded it, copy its content, that is feature and plugin folder newly created inside. Means inside this folder you have to copy these two folders. So the directory, they have given the tree like see here they have used neon drop-ins. Again they have created this folder, and in that they have pasted these two folders from the downloaded zip file. And yeah, so yes, and now they have mentioned third step but not least, like restarting the Eclipse. and then we can you can create a Maven project, and there you can use it. So I thought, means if I'm facing this problem, might be many people have faced this problem, so I thought I should make a video to it. So I will give this link in the description, so please go through it, and might be this blog will be helpful. Thank you. Then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.